GLYC, is it the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. With GlycoMimetics, we're sitting at 31 cents, 25% up for the day, which is good stuff. And I myself personally with GLYC is, I'm not surprised that much, because at some point of the day we were not only up like 25%, but at some point we were up as much as 66. So what I'm going to do is just zoom out and just look at the broader picture, like a weekly or a monthly type of thing, zooming out, seeing where we are. All right, so with that, it's going to mark out the lows here. Yeah, man, like for me to be bullish, the price will need to start breaking above 383 or whatever. This is just filling in the gaps and stuff, so this is just my bias. This is by no means financial advice. Like, all I'm using is my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins, which, by the way, if you want to learn to make more profits by taking less trades for free, check the photos link in the description.